She called you like some years ago about this matter. Did she call you?
I didn't know if she called me. They didn't let me pick call. It was after the whole thing, like 2 months later, they gave me my phone and I saw the messages. And our messages were part of it. This is the only Bible that I'm holding. Let the only Bible judge me. It's so funny. Lizzy is not my friend. We are not friends. I don't know her. As in Saudi or no, I've never heard about it. How do I know her movement?
Because I spoke to Liz and she was like so sure that she was so certain that.
So sure. What is my own with Lizzy? I have seen Lizzy in my life just twice. The first time on Regina Chukwu's job, the second time was Basila Coded Premier. I don't know her movement. God is my witness.
You've only seen Liz twice.
Twice. First time was like 14 or 15. Regina Chukwu. The second time was Ibatimo Wanino. You could send Tomon. Isha Basila Coded Premier. That was the 2 times I've seen her in my life. I don't know her movement. I am speaking up now. Let the whole world hear. I am speaking up now because I am speaking up because of my son. The last one they did, you know, Jenimo Wami Ole Soro. But now I have to speak up and stand up for my son. Yes, I'm not the one I come and shepherd from me. No. If I do not stand up for my son, who will stand up for my son? I'll be among me. I think that is shepherd for me, but today was too much. I need to stand up for my son.
She said some bloggers that they are mentioning your name, that you are the one that stands there.
There is no blogger that can mention my name. I have never spoken to any blogger. The only blogger I have spoken with is Instablog, and we did adverts on Instablog. I have never spoken to anyone to run who down. I say, but you know what I am saying. God has blessed us. I am not beefing anybody. I don't have problem with anybody. God is my witness. I don't know where all this is coming from. I don't talk. I've never spoken. Me oh sorry, but people go abiamo aye ka won not jije ka won not dasi oro yi. Gbogbo nǹkan teni mo ṣe di sí mi ò tí mọ̀. Ko bẹ̀rẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ Lizzy what.
Tó ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ mà ti gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tí Tóyìn Abraham àti Ìyábọ̀ Òjó tí wọ́n sọ nínú fídíò yìí látàrí gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ àríyànjiyàn tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin wọn àti òṣèrébìnrin Lizzy Anjorin. Ẹ ti gbọ́ bí Tóyìn Abraham tó ṣe sọ èyí tó kàn nínú ọ̀rọ̀ yìí pẹ̀lú omijé lójú tó sì fi bíbélì dání tó sì fi búra. Ẹ sì ti gbọ́ nǹkan tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó sọ àti ipa èyí tí ó kó nínú ọ̀rọ̀ tí ó wà nílẹ̀ yẹn èèyàn wa níbo lẹ rò rí pé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí yóò padà yọrí sí báyìí o.
Did I do talk? It's mo bá ṣe pè mí